Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. It's payday! Go check it out. Look, you already know, last video, what we did. Made that extra holiday cash. I'll show you pictures. Boom, right here. Payout, payday. Now, a little funny thing about Gigwalk is that I read the description and the details, and apparently, like, they have 16 days to go through your response and critique it and all that. So, like I said, just got the payday today. What is it? 12/31, New Year's Eve.
With straight shots and then pop bottles.
Yeah. About to buy, I don't know, 2-3 drinks. No, just kidding. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching another video. And now you kind of see a little bit like what I get into, and you know, you get a feel for me a little bit more. And I'm super excited. Like, it's crazy because the season just ended, but I want to pump out so many mowing vlog videos. It's like insane. But moral of the story for this video, Gigwalk is legit. I've been paid numerous times through it. Like I stated in the other video, I did some audits a year or two ago, got paid for those, everything's smooth. If you go check out the other video, I will leave a card right there. And, you know, check that out. You'll see how to use Gigwalk. It could maybe help you maybe get back on your winter grind. You know, you spent all your money for Christmas on, you know, your girlfriend's new dog or whatever it is. So, hey, keep it easy. Peace.